Local news for Thursday the 6th of July. The Wairarapa has seen an 8.8% increase in spending compared to June last year, with an annual percentage change of 9.1%. The extra spending amongst these food, liquor and entertainment merchants and amongst accommodation merchants was by New Zealand and overseas cardholders in June, and while not directly linked to the Lions tour, it is likely that the tour and the extra foreign tourist spending was a key factor behind the higher monthly spend amongst these merchants, in figures released by Paymark. Cuisine has revealed its much-anticipated list of New Zealand's top 100 restaurants for 2017, and only one from Wairarapa has made it, Pinocchio in Martinborough. The announcement is effectively the first cut of the rigorous judging process, which has been underway around the country for months. To feature in the guides is to be selected amongst the cream of the country's ever-evolving restaurant scene. The Chip Group has announced 51 stores across New Zealand, and 2 from Wairarapa will receive highly commended Chip Awards, and with it the title of regional finalists in the Best Chip Shop competition. Fish Masterton and Mac's Fresh Fish and Chips have both been named as regional finalists for Wairarapa. Later this month, the regional winners will be announced. The Grand National winner and Bidford's People's Choice Chips Awards will be presented at the Potatoes New Zealand Awards dinner in Pukekohe on the 26th of July. And in sport and Premier Netball tonight, Carlton Reid play neighbours Gladstone Gold, and tomorrow night see St Matthews play Waikato, and a top game expected between Celtic and Harcourts. And Wairarapa United will play Napier City Rovers in Central League football this weekend. Having beaten them recently in the Chatham Cup, a win should be on the cards Sunday 12:30 at Trust House Memorial Park.